How to block people in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Basically, you must first go to the profile of the person whom you want to block. So here I'm tapping on one. So it's up to you and the one that you want to block. Here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon, and here on the bottom there's an option called block. Simply tap on block and again tap on block. So this user has been completely blocked. So all the posts that they have done will completely be gone and you can't even message them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.